In a data-driven organization, metrics are everything. They drive decisions and measure success. With OpenMetadata, your teams can define their own metrics, ensuring consistency across the organization. Now, the same metric can be computed the same way, every time. You can find metrics under the Govern tab, and they will also appear in the Explore page. Metrics are a new data asset, and they have the same set of common properties, such as domain, owner, or tier, and can be used via the API as well. They have specific properties that help you frame the scope of the metric in the organization, like metric type, the type of calculation used for a metric, such as count, average, or ratio. This defines what kind of number the metric represents. The unit of measurement, which is the scale used to interpret the metric, like count, percentage, dollars, or requests. This gives context to the metric, showing what the number represents. We also have granularity, the time scale of the metric, and it goes from seconds to years. Moreover, note how you can define LaTeX formulas in the description, helping translate business language into operations. A metric cannot be complete without the code to compute it, from languages such as SQL, Python, or Java. This will unlock the power of your metrics, enabling your users to simply copy and paste the definition into their processes. You can also link metrics to glossary terms, greatly expanding how users interact with the glossary, and you can help them navigate your business, discovering other important metrics by association. Finally, linking metrics in the lineage view will bring even more meaning to your ETL workloads. OpenMetadata.